When you buy into 21.5, you don't get just one home, you get 5 homes.
That's why the 21.5 model is becoming increasingly popular. It's hassle-free and you get so much for your money. First time you see 21.5, you think timeshare. And we can understand why you think that. We've taken the best elements from timeshare and then we added real ownership.
Yeah.
That's the formula for 21.5.
Nice and simple. We are thrilled that we have our own expertise in-house. We have our design team, we have architects, salespeople, our legal affairs, finance team. We have a lot of people. And if anything is up, you just call us, we fix it. You can just enjoy life.
We've never sold 21.5 as a monetary investment. Good thing is, it's proven to be a good investment over the years. It's an investment in the quality of life.